For this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make paper mache with glue and water. So if you want to see how I create this week's tutorial, keep on watching. Now before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment down in the description box. So guys, so this week I'm going to show you how to create the paper mache with water and glue. So we're going to do the exact same as we did last week, and all you're going to need is paper mache in water and a bowl and your mixture. Now with this paper mache, because you're using liquid, with this one you can squeeze out a little bit more water, and you're going to just fill. I'm going to do the exact same thing, a 1-inch cup, okay, and then we'll put that in there. Okay, now what you can do is, if you squeeze out a lot of water, you can always add the water in because you don't want it too runny. This one here, I find when you put the glue with the paper mache, it's nice for like a little kind of a extra thick slipperage that you need on top of your paper mache. Now I'm not going to measure the glue. What I'm going to do is I am going to just pour some glue and we're going to start, okay? And I might even, you know what? I'm going to dump out a little bit more water. So with this one here, remember, you don't need a lot of water. Fluff up your paper mache. If you wanted the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. Okay, and so we're gonna have dry, mostly dry, with a little bit of water. Now we're gonna add, this is really heavy, so we're not gonna lift it. I'm just going to tilt it. Remember, I said I'm not measuring. I'm just going to put in, and then now some people will do this with their paper mache strips, so you can do that, and I have a video already on how to make paper mache paste, and in that video I show you the strip. Okay. Yeah, with this one you don't really need a lot of. And I also think this is a good one for the paper mache pulp, because the pulp would be good. Okay. So now if you watched last week's video, you would have seen how the paper mache with flour turned out. And look at this one. This is the one with glue. It's a little bit more of a wet mixture, but it definitely went to pulp a little bit quicker than the flour one, because the flour is more about stiffness. This is more about softness. The flour is more dense, and this one is not. So yeah, there you go. And what I'll do is I'll show you what they look like after. Paper mache flour and paper mache glue. So the flour will always turn white and have that kind of chalky look to it. And then the glue, it's not fully dried, but the glue is transparent. And this was white craft glue that I used. So there you go. If you wanted to take me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to take me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you're able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make paper mache with glue and water, you can check out this tutorial next on how to create porcelain clay. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. I will see you guys next week. Take care, and bye-bye.